Imagine a world where the laws of physics seem to bend for a device that fits in the palm of your hand. A world where the boundary between professional cinematography and amateur flight completely dissolves. That world has arrived with the whispered legends of the DJI Mini 6 Pro, a piece of engineering so advanced it feels like it's been sent back from the future. For years, we've watched the Mini series evolve, but 2026 marks the year DJI stopped iterating and started reinventing. This isn't just another incremental update. It is a seismic shift in what a sub-250g drone can achieve. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, the rumors aren't just about better battery life or a slightly sharper lens. They're about a fundamental change in how we capture our reality. The air is thick with anticipation because the Mini 6 Pro isn't just competing with other drones. It's competing with the limits of our own imagination. If you thought you knew what a compact drone was capable of, prepare to have every one of those preconceptions shattered into a million pieces. The heart of the revolution lies within the glass. For the first time in history, we are looking at a dual-stacked CMOS sensor architecture inside a drone that requires no FAA registration in the United States. This isn't just marketing fluff. It's a technological marvel that allows for a dynamic range previously reserved for the bulky, expensive rigs used in Hollywood productions. Picture yourself flying over a dark, jagged coastline as the sun dips below the horizon. Traditionally, the shadows would turn into a muddy mess of noise, or the sky would blow out into a featureless white void. But the Mini 6 Pro breathes through these challenges. It sees into the shadows with the clarity of a predator and holds onto the vibrant oranges and deep purples of the sunset with a tenacity that is frankly frightening. The sensor doesn't just capture light. It understands it, processing every photon with an AI-driven engine that eliminates grain while preserving the raw, organic texture of the world below. This is the death of good enough for small drones. This is the birth of perfection. But what is vision without the intelligence to guide it? The Mini 6 Pro introduces the Omniscience 2.0 obstacle avoidance system, a network of vision sensors and LiDAR light technology that creates a real-time, 3D map of the environment in milliseconds. This drone doesn't just see a tree branch. It predicts the wind's effect on that branch and calculates a flight path that is as smooth as silk. You can now fly through the dense, tangled forests of the Pacific Northwest or the tight, chaotic alleys of a bustling metropolis with the confidence of a veteran pilot, even if it's your first day behind the sticks. The drone moves with a predatory grace, weaving through obstacles that would have grounded any other aircraft. It's an invisible hand guiding you, ensuring that the only thing you have to focus on is the art of the shot. This level of autonomy changes the game for solo creators. You're no longer just a pilot. You are a director with an infinitely capable, invisible camera crew at your beck and call. Let's talk about the transmission, because what use is a miracle in the sky if you can't see it on the ground. The OcuSync 5.0 system debuts here, promising a link so stable it feels like a physical tether. We're talking about a 20-kilometer range with a 1080p/120 fps live feed that has virtually zero latency. Imagine the freedom of standing in a valley and sending your eye into the sky, miles away, without a single flicker or frame drop. The signal cuts through the electromagnetic noise of modern cities like a hot knife through butter. This isn't just about distance. It's about the integrity of the connection. It gives you the freedom to explore the what-ifs of your environment. What if I fly over that ridge? What if I follow that river bend? The Mini 6 Pro says yes to every curiosity, providing a window to the world that is as clear as looking through your own eyes. It's a liberation of the creative spirit, unfettered by the technical limitations that have plagued small-scale aerial photography for a decade. And then there is the endurance. For years, the 30-minute mark was the holy grail, the ceiling we couldn't quite shatter without adding weight. But through the use of high-density, solid-state battery technology, the Mini 6 Pro pushes into the 50-minute territory. Think about what that means for your workflow. No more frantic landings, just as the light becomes perfect. No more carrying a dozen batteries for a single afternoon of shooting. You have the time to wait for the perfect moment, the way the light hits a mountain peak, or the exact second a car crosses a lonely bridge. This endurance transforms the drone from a shot getter into an observational tool. It allows you to stay in the air, to watch, to learn the rhythm of your subject, and to capture the soul of a place rather than just its surface. This is the true luxury of the 2026 hardware, the luxury of time. The Mini 6 Pro is more than a product, it's a statement. It's DJI telling the world that size is no longer a compromise. It's a tool for the dreamers who want to tell stories that are larger than life, without being weighed down by the gear of the past. As we look at the leaked specs and the early renders, one thing is clear. The landscape of content creation is about to change forever. The only question left is, will you be the one holding the controller when the revolution begins? The sky is no longer the limit. It's your canvas, and the Mini 6 Pro is the finest brush ever created. Don't just watch the future happen, capture it.